Keppel DC 1 point. Digital Core 1 point. Today is 3rd May. Public holiday in Singapore, so I decided to pay my data centers a visit because I haven't really been here. Just want to understand more about how, on picture it just looks like one box, and now I am really at that location and it is a box. Recently, I watched a video by I think one of my friends. His name is Josh Tan, the Astute Parent YouTube channel. In his video, he was talking about Keppel DC REIT share price coming down, and he was comparing it to another newly launched data center REIT called Digital Core. I just want to go and do a comparison. So if you'd like to know what's the final score of Keppel DC and Digital Core REIT, continue watching. Back at my table, did some quick numbers before I even recorded this, and the results were astonishing. I am biased, and in fact I don't feel too nice when Digital Core won or beat Keppel DC in one of the aspects. So two aspects I'm looking at: the gross profit margin and the return on borrowing. Okay, I have my iPad here, and what you can see right now is that this is Digital Core REIT first quarter results. So to calculate the gross profit margin, okay, so I'm just going to scribble on the screen right now. I'm just going to say that it's actually the 26.458 million divided by, no, it's actually the other way around. Okay, it's the other way around, 17.872 divided by 26.458. Of course, I'm going to make some assumptions here. I'm going to analyze it, right? So I calculated that the gross profit margin, that's around 67.5%. It could be due to the way that they manage, and more importantly, Digital Core REIT seems like most of the data centers are all in the US. So that's the one difference between Keppel DC and Digital Core REIT, the location of the portfolio. The second thing, let's check straight down, the return on borrowing, right? Because that would allow me as a shareholder to know how efficient is my REIT managers utilizing $1 of borrowing. Down here, I'm definitely I have to analyze. Okay, I have to analyze. So I write return on borrowing, which would be 17.872. I need to analyze that figure, so that gives me around, I record it's around 71.488. Okay, divided by the 350. So that gave me a return on borrowing of 20.47. So there we go. We have the results. Keppel DC REIT beat Digital Core REIT in the gross profit margin. However, Digital Core REIT beat Keppel DC in terms on the returns of borrowing. This results, I wasn't expecting this. It really opened up my world. In fact, I was thinking, hey, did I do did I calculate anything wrongly? So I did 3 rounds of calculations, and it seems like, yeah, Keppel DC does have its strength. Digital Core REIT has its strength. So final score, Keppel DC 1, Digital Core REIT 1. If you are a shareholder looking to invest in either of the REITs, please practice your independent thinking by putting on the cap of a business owner. Of course, I do have some playlists where I always put on a business owner point of view whenever I invest in certain REITs. So if you have truly enjoyed this video, drop one biggest takeaway in the comments below. And if you are my fellow Keppel DC REIT shareholder and you find that you like to follow me on a journey of investing in Keppel DC, you can subscribe to the channel. So I'll see you in the next video.